Hello and welcome to another ServicePad training video. This video will walk you through the process to modify your IdeaRoom order that you have created in as an RTO contract in ServicePad using the Pay Now button from IdeaRoom. These modifications would include changes such as the delivery or install address, color, size, and price. Using the dealer email address, log into ServicePad.com. The first thing you will see here is the agreements list. Locate the agreement that you're needing to edit and click on the sets of three numbers on the first left column. This is the ID of the order. When ServicePad has loaded the order, on the right-hand side, you will see a drawing of the unit, and right below it, an Edit 3D design. Click this button. This will take you to the IdeaRoom configurator. In the IdeaRoom configurator, it's important in the upper right-hand corner in the sales login to log in using the email address that you logged in with to create the order to begin with. Make any modifications you need here to the size, color, or any sales tools items. Click the order button. In the order card, under the preferred payment type, be sure and click BMG RTO ServicePad. In the address field, update the address that you need to change or enter the previous one if it's still the same. Enter a note for the modification if need be. Choose the appropriate options below, such as electricity, site ready, surface, and the term. Remember, the term can still be changed when you get into ServicePad. Be sure to use the customer's email address as you used it the first time. This, in conjunction with the sales login, will help IdeaRoom and ServicePad to communicate to make sure that they try to update the correct order and minimize the amount of work you have to re-enter. Click the Pay Now button. Complete the steps in ServicePad as you did the first time. Including the signature spots. Thank you and have a great day.